What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I'm sorry about I haven't made the videos. I haven't made that many videos. But if you haven't seen the Wolf Among Us videos, go check that out. And the subscriber that left me, I want you to please come back whenever you feel like coming back. I want you to come back like now. So yeah, let's just get into another one. So I did just do a round, so just warming up and stuff. And I collected some the shells, as you can see, that pink stuff up there. Yeah, like where the 7 times thing. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you should be able to. But yeah, I got 2 of them in the round that I just did for a warm-up, so I'm kind of happy, because if I get that, I get 2 boxes, I think, or I get something, but I don't know what it is. It's random. Here we go. So, if you guys haven't seen the, like I said, if you haven't seen the Wolf Among Us videos, go check those out, and if you, some people that are new and watching my channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and yep. Oh shoot! Oh, I thought it was gonna go right there, and I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna die. Or whatever. I don't know. I have no idea what to call it, but keep on going, keep on going. What was that? I have no idea, but I'm just gonna just be like, well, nothing happened. Come on, come on. Ooh, got the last one. Ooh. I like the ones that have the power-ups at the end. It's like the one with the bungee jumping thing. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, I like those. Dang it. At least we have this. Ooh, more boards. I'm gonna double it up real quick. I'll be back. Oh. Okay, guys, we're back, and I found out what the noise was. It was just my sister. So, let's go. And don't worry about the things that say bye down there. Just don't worry about those. Hang on, I gotta pause it real quick. Move up my pillow. That pillow. That pillow. And yeah, Max did not come over this week. So, yeah. So, if you haven't seen, like, I at least made a 4 wolf video, so go check out all of them if you have a chance to. If you like don't have a chance to and you'd rather watch this video, that's fine with me. But if you ever get like a chance after whatever you do, please go check that out, because I think you would like those ones. Cause, yeah. And I'm trying to I'm trying to get coins, so if you guys have any quick suggestions about getting coins, please tell me down in the comments below, because I really want to get coins. Like, I want coins. Dang! What? All you had to do was step on the bush. So basically, I pushed up and then pushed down on the bush, and it was like, we're not going to count that. So that was very weird. I don't know why that happened. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. Because if it does, I'm going to be mad. Very mad. Oh, got it. I hate, like, the caves, because then I hit my head and stuff. But it doesn't really matter. But I don't really like it. Oh, shoot. I forgot. Oh, my. You know, we're going to get... Hang on. I'll be back when something cool happens. Okay, guys, so I am getting... No, I do not want to install. Next. Cup. Fuck. Yep. Up. Perfect. Next. Never mind. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's go. Boardy. I used my board. Where did I go? Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was unnecessary. Like, see, I like these. I don't think I really should have got that because there's coins there. But whatever. This brings me farther without any obstacles. Head forward, please. Oh, yay. Moving back and forth. My question is, how do you even survive that fall? I know it's not a real game. Well, not something that would happen in real life. But in, like, any other game, they would be like, nope, it doesn't count. Wait, bye. Nope. Let's go. Grab this. And my question is, how do you even stay on that when you're holding a big metal piece of something? I don't know how to say it. Never mind. I feel dumb. All you have to do is take it. All you really have to do is take a little tiny magnet and just have it connect. Not like this big, huge thing that you're going to get crushed by, so. I don't even have to go for it. Now I do. Come, oh, yeah. Best time to get one of these. And I jump right and then move right. I mean, yeah, that was right. Never mind. Like, the way was right, not I was right. The first. I don't even care. We're just going to keep going. Because, yeah, let's keep going. Move away. Move away. You better land somewhere good. Jump. 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 Why did we even grab those? Why is it like, it was jumping on its own for a minute. Like, it would jump, jump, jump. Oh, because if you hit the jump button when you're in midair, it jumps for you when you land. Wait, does it do it without it? Nope, it only does it with it. Never mind. Well, now we know that. I didn't even know that until now, when I just figured it out, so. Yeah. Yep, here we go, come on. Oh, yeah. No! Oh, yeah. Okay, we got the last coin. Come on. Oh, I hate this part where, like, yeah. Oh, wait. Please just go on that side the whole time. Nope. But that's fine. So, it went on that side the most of the time. Here's the part where I fail, probably. Yep, look at... Oh, how did I even survive that? You know, neither of you get it. Like, neither. I should have 32, but I missed one because I got the jetpack thing, so I missed it. Doesn't count. I pressed it. Yeah, jump, turn, view. I don't know why I went the other way. Now I should have 33, but nope. Because the game is so mad. Keep on going. I want to beat my record. Come on. I'm trying to concentrate. That's why I wasn't talking. I was trying to concentrate. Come on. We can beat my record. If you guys believe in me, we all believe in each other. That's it. I'm over it. Wait. We beat it? How did we even beat it? That is my question. How did we even beat my record? Well, I got mad for no reason. I feel dumb now, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna go home. And if you guys did enjoy this video, hang on, there might be one thing you have to collect. Oh wait, yeah. Pick it up. Okay, so, if you guys did enjoy this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if the person who subscribe to me, please like back, or subscribe to me back, and everyone else new, please subscribe to me. See you guys later. Bye. Peace out.